Welcome to the online classes of Dipol School Jasipur. Today we will read about SST of class 3. This is your book Prachi Excellence in Social Studies 3. Come to lesson 4, the dresses we wear. So in the previous class we discussed about women's dress, men's dress, and today let us see about tribal dresses. So you see this picture, some tribal dresses of India are given here. These three pictures. Tribals live in many parts of our India. So in our country, in many parts, the tribal people are living there, and they wear their tribal dresses. They have their different type of tribal dresses also. Their dresses are generally colorful and made up of forest products. So mainly they wear the dresses which are made up of forest products. The products or the things which are easily found in forest or jungles, because most of the tribal people are living in jungle area, hill areas of our country. So the climate plays an important role in deciding the dresses for men and women in every part of the world. In the hilly areas where the climate remains cold almost throughout the year, people like to wear woolen clothes. So the hill areas which remain cold throughout the year, in these places generally the people like to wear the woolen clothes, especially in the regions. So especially the regions which lies in the area of Himalayan mountain range, the people of those particular places, they like to wear the woolen clothes. They also cover their heads either with shawl or a fur cap or a turban. So these are also their dressing style: a shawl, a fur cap, or a turban. In summer season, people like to wear cotton clothes. So our area, our Odisha, you can say Andhra Pradesh, and the tribal areas which are present in these states, which are in the eastern part of our country, the tribal people, most of the tribal people like to wear the cotton clothes, especially cotton clothes, as these places are not very cold as compared to the hill regions of the Himalayas. So this is about the tribal dresses. Let us see the footwear. So you see some pictures of the footwears: shoes, chappals. Okay, footwear such as shoes and sandals are also an important part of our dresses. This also includes in our dressing style. Some people like to wear shoes, some use the sandals. Shoes keep our feet clean and safe. So why do we wear shoes? Because shoes or chappal, these are the things that keep our feet clean and safe. Okay, so in this way we use our shoes for different purposes, like playing. Sports shoes are there for playing, running, jumping, and other things. Similarly, for traveling, shoes are there, for mountaineering, shoes are there, and some other activities like protecting people from the fire and floods. A special type of shoes are there which are provided to the people, to the fire brigade people, those who have to perform the duties like protecting people from flood or fire. These are the things which include our footwears. Our footwear also depends on the climatic changes. For example, let us see, in hot weather, generally most of us like to wear the chappals. Okay, as it is very difficult for us to cover our whole foot by wearing shoes. That is why generally we use chappal in the hot weather. Similarly, in rainy season, rubber gumboots are worn by people in the rainy season to protect our foot from getting wet. And especially in winter season we like to wear leather shoes to keep our feet warm. So we often match our shoes with our clothes. So this is also a dressing style that according to the color of our dress we also match the color of the shoes, the style of the shoes. Sports shoes are specially made with grooves or spikes to provide them better grip. Sports shoes which we use in for morning walk or for running, for jumping, for high jump, for long jump, different sports associated events. So in this case we use the sports shoes where they have spikes. Okay, spikes, why spikes are there? So that the shoes can hold a better grip on the ground. Next it is formal dress. So what are formal dress? On the occasion of festivals or marriages people like to wear special dress. This include brocade and silk sarees, jewelry and suits with ties. So generally male person use suits with ties for festivals and occasions, and women they use brocade, silk saree, jewelry, etc. So these are the formal dresses. So let us see about some dresses which are popular in the world. You see three pictures are given here. These are the world famous Indian dresses. Many Indian dresses like Banarasi sari, Lucknowi chicken kurta, Kanjivaram sari, Peshwari, Rajasthani lehengas are famous worldwide. So in India, these are the dresses which belong to particular places, but these dresses have become nowadays become very much popular in the whole world. And these are Banarasi sari, Lucknowi chicken kurta, Kanjivaram sari, and other two are Peshwari and Rajasthani lehenga. These are famous all over the world. Okay, this much for today. In the next class we will discuss about the question answer. Thank you.